Video part 5. Let's continue the process. The video will be sped up immediately to shorten the video duration. Please follow the instructions on the video until the next step. Sorry, there's a little improvement on the back. We'll redo it to make it more ideal. To get a perspective effect such as an eye illusion, then set the stone uphill backwards and install the wood getting smaller to the back. Look guys, this illustration line shows that the focus point will be made to turn. Okay guys, video will continue to part 6.